Hello, this is Marie Lundi, your trusted real estate advisor. And so I am always looking for creative options for my buyers and clients to purchase real estate. And so wanted to share this message with you from one of my preferred lending partners, which I think you will like and find very interesting.
Are you considering a nursing home placement for your aging parents? Let's talk about it. You should consider buying them a house. This may yield a better investment return. Let me explain this unique financing. Through a family opportunity mortgage, you're permitted to take advantage of the better interest rate and the modest 5% down payment. Pretty much treat it just like your primary residential terms. Reminder, nursing homes are fine. I'm just demonstrating many choices, managing and investing your money. Now, the only thing you need to worry about is making sure your parents are good tenants. For all mortgage-related matters, please continue to like and share. Have a good one.